Mahindra Two-Wheeler took over our two-wheeler business in 2008. From the very beginning, it was our motto to be different in the marketplace because we knew it very well that we just can't be yet another player in two-wheeler space.
So Mahindra Two-Wheelers is a relatively new player in two-wheeler space. It was very important that we have our operations run in a very seamless manner. That was one of the key reasons why it was decided that we should go with IT solution so that we are able to drive efficiency in our systems.
When I look at my dealer, the dealers are technically not matured level in terms of process, in terms of infra working. When such type of integrated tools are not available, sometimes manipulation happens. But we all manage this.
We had network of 400 plus dealerships, and it was really difficult for the business to get the real-time data. So we thought of having such kind of application which can help us in real-time, decision-making power.
If you are actually investing in a server network or the bigger infrastructure kind of a setup, we don't know, what scale it will go up to. So in that case, the cloud is a preferred option. The flexibility of joining and separating is very easy. So that is why, we always prefer the cloud as a first choice.
We realized that Exelon provided us also this flexibility of not only getting the reportings from the dealer, but also have an analytical system built into it.
I think Exelon has partnered with us in terms of making first hardware available and then taking the whole system up in terms of creating a desire, creating a need to use IT as a support service for the business.
Initially, we had a target of 50 dealers rollout within 6 months, including the implementation part, which was really a tough time as a project. It was very difficult to roll out this application across the geographies, but the team has made it successful.
We had to develop that desirability in them to use IT-enabled services. Exelon and our teams put together, a lot of work was done on-site, so there are a lot of dealers who are operating it themselves.
Based upon the Exelon capability in terms of their skill, depth, knowledge in terms of dealer management system as a software, they are the only player which is niche in the market. And the second thing about it, they are providing us the Exelon 5, which is a cloud-based solution, and the rollout time is very quick. It is a 360-degree change that we have seen from inception of Exelon DMS solution. Now at the click of a button, we can able to know how many walk-ins has been happening in our showroom, how many sales has been done, how many models, which areas, which dealer. So all this information right from customer entry to customer servicing, all information is available on the click of a button.
I can see the real-time information coming into the application which can be accessed across the organization, which helps organization to take the decisions in right manner and at the right time. This being a cloud application, the uptime is always 100%.
As far as the cloud is concerned, our first preferred option is Exelon. The idea was, the flexibility, the scalability, uptime guarantee. I think that is the biggest motivation for moving to cloud.
The biggest advantage that we get with this DMS application with Exelon is it gives us a real-time information. They are able to keep a very good close control on the business on a daily basis. When a customer walks in, the entire funnel from a customer walk-in or inquiring to delivering him this sale or vehicle. The application helps us give us what are the number of inquiries, what are the kind of variants that people have inquired about, what is the color preferences that people have inquired about.
As soon as the inquiry is generated, it is logged into the system of DMS. And from this, we understand that what are the number of customers that are converted into actual sales. And from actual sales, we understand what is the preference of customers' choice for variations in our product.
We have more than 1100 secondary touch points as of now. We want to make it feasible for our smaller dealerships. We want to take it to our authorized service stations who are just the service station, because they are the ones who are taking care of our customers in terms of servicing, after sales servicing, warranty, spare parts, etc.
Now we are planning to roll this out at our secondary network across Pan India.
Exelon has made some of our work much more easier, and it has made my and my staff's lives better.
So a data geographically, data in the daytime, type of customers, type of hit ratio, which earlier was coming, but more on the phone, more on Excel based, has become system driven. And when system driven data is available, it makes a good information which helps me to predict my future more effectively.
So if there is a particular day and the inquiry goes up, it is with the help of DMS we connect with that. We want to call up some customers with same day. This is DMS which helps. So these are some, every day there is a new facet of this comes to us and we are quite happy about it.